How to get 3-minute videos on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get 3-minute videos on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now go to plus icon at the center. Now tap on upload. I'm choosing this video. Now you see that the video is selected by 3 minutes. If the video more than 3 minutes, TikTok will cut only 3 minutes. Now I can post this video by tap save, next, and describe my video and post. Now I want to record a video. You see at the top of the record there is 15 seconds and then there is 3 minutes. You can tap on 3 minutes and just keep record until the 3 minute end, and tap on next, and post the video. This is how you get 3-minute video on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like.